What is up, everyone? This is MotoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the high memory or RAM usage on your Windows 10 device. So let's get right into this. So all you want to do is type in your search bar regedit until you see this registry editor pop up. Once you see this pop up, we're going to do a few things. So first, you want to just close, if you've ever accessed this, you want to basically close everything out. So we're going to first go inside HKey local machine. Then we're going to go inside system. Under system, we're going to go inside control set. So actually I already had it open, so control set, and then under control set you're going to go to the last one which says services. In here just type in N because you're trying to find something called NDU, which you see right over here, and then you want to double click into where it says start, and its value is going to be 2. You're going to change this to basically 4 and then press OK. Once you do that, the next thing you're going to do is going to go to your search bar again and type in services until you find something called Superfetch, I believe. Let's see if we have it. Not every system has it, so just an FYI. But if you have it, you want to basically find that. You want to basically change it. Like, so I'm going to just show you as an example because I don't have it. But let's say you do have it. You want to essentially, let's just assume this was it. You want to right click into it, go to properties, and change it to automatic, and then press start. A lot of times that's most likely the case of it not being happening for you. So you want to basically do that for yourself and start that service and turn it to automatic. So yeah, that's basically it. Once you do that, your high memory usage or the RAM usage that's happening should go away and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash the thumbs up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then MotoTutorials out. Peace.